Good morning.
How are you all doing? I can't hear you all. You didn't have breakfast? No? How are you all doing today? Little more energy, please. How are you all doing today?
Great.
See, my voice is much higher than all of you all combined. Can we have a little more sound from the Shankar Mahadevan Academy / Cluedown team? You all should have a big voice, right? Come on, how are you all doing today? Good. Awesome, awesome. So, shall we start? All ready? Do you all know why we are here today?
No.
Any idea? No? Any guesses? What are we going to do here today? Anything?
Probably some team building activities or personality building.
Personality, some training or something like that? Okay. Okay, cool. So, there is a good news for you all. We are not going to do any kind of training. It's just going to be a fun-filled morning, just full of games and activities. No Gyana of any kind, though it's Masti ki Paach Gyan Shala and we are from Gyana. No Gyana for today, okay? Let's just have some fun. Let's chill out. Done? Okay?
Yes.
Okay, so before we start today, can you all stand up please, just for 2 minutes? Okay, cool. No, that's fine, beanbag is fine. So just follow my instructions. Okay, this is just to get started for today morning. Just follow my instructions. All of you all put your hand out like this, like you are holding a cup. Okay? Yeah, and close your eyes. And whatever thoughts right now are going on in your mind, just put all those thoughts in that cup. Please close your eyes. Any thought, Bangalore traffic, you all didn't have breakfast, fight with your husband, wife, boss, girlfriend, what you all are going to have for lunch, what this is about, why am I here, why am I wasting time, any thought you have, even any good thoughts, put everything in there, any work related issues. Okay, once all the thoughts are in your cup, your mind is all clear, can we just pour the cup? Just pour it. Yeah, all pour down, all thoughts gone away, and the cup also can be broken. So just throw the cup and stamp and break it. Break. Cool. Okay, so all clear? Ready for the fun? Okay, so before we start, I would like to know each one of you. So can we quickly have some introductions? Yeah, can we form a circle here please? Yeah, please come. Come here. Yeah. Okay. I just want to know your names, no long introductions. I am Sampada. Okay. So just a simple statement. Easy? Okay. Let's make it a little more complicated. Along with my name, I would like each one of you to add an adjective. Any adjective you want. It can not necessarily English, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, any language, an adjective. So I am smart Sampada, I am super cool Sampada. So each one of you all come up with your own adjectives to define yourself. Okay? Fine? Can do that? Easy? Huh?
We'll try.
Simple, one adjective I need. Just one to define yourselves. Okay? Yeah? Okay. Along with that, one more small thing. Okay? I need you all to make a style statement. So a pose or a action, any kind, a style statement for yourself. Okay? So if I say I am super Sampada, I can make a superwoman pose, cool Sampada, anything, whatever you all want. Think for yourself a style statement for each of you with an adjective and your name. That's all. I don't want to know more, no hobbies, what you all are working, nothing. That's all the introductions. Shall we start? Okay?
Okay, so my name is Vimal.
Okay, so I have supposed to add an adjective and a
Style statement. So we'll start with him and then we'll follow like that in the line.
So I'll say Lajawab Vimal.
He's Lajawab Vimal.
Lajawab Vimal.
Lajawab Vimal. Okay? Yeah, please sir.
I'm serious, Manjuna.
Serious Manjuna. Okay, what's your action? What's your serious Manjuna?
Serious.
Okay, serious Manjuna.
Clear Sandeep.
Clear Sandeep. Awesome. Yeah. Your name with the adjective, that's all.
Don't know Prabha.
No, that's not an adjective, it's a verb.
Little temperamental.
Little?
Temperamental. Prabha.
Little temperamental Prabhat. Okay.
Superb Sylvester.
Superb Sylvester. Can you make a style statement?
Superb Sylvester.
Something better, come on. Something better. Superb Sylvester. Okay. Please, please. Polite Deepak. Hey. Yeah?
Humble.
Humble?
Albin.
Albin. Albin. Yeah.
Crazy Pavitra.
Crazy Pavitra. Okay.
Style statement.
No, everyone is doing this. I will not accept it anymore. Come on. Crazy, then you have to make a crazy statement. It should go. That's not crazy. Come on. Something, think. Be creative. Crazy Pavitra. Okay.
Smiling culture.
Do some action. Smiling. Louder. Could you hear what you said?
I'm smiling, right?
All I can say is only the smile.
Yeah, be loud.
Like, without anything, how can I laugh?
You don't need to laugh. I'm not asking you to laugh. Just adjective your name with a style.
Smiling.
Your name, please?
Kanchan.
Kanchan. Okay. Smiling Kanchan. Do some action. Yeah. Okay.
Friendly Mansi.
Friendly Mansi.
Talkative Shalini.
Talkative Sharanya.
Fun-loving Ravi.
Fun loving. Some action.
I did fun.
Oh, okay. Fun loving Ravi. Okay.
Killer Shishir.
Killer?
Shishir.
Shishir. Wow. Okay.
Angry Shital.
Good.
I'm romantic Vishal.
Wow, awesome. Romantic Vishal.
Masti Maria.
Come ahead, right?
Masti Maria.
Masti Maria.
Insane Meenakshi.
Insane Meenakshi. Cool. Yeah, something else. It is already done before. Insane Meenakshi, okay. Peaceful? Sunil, okay. Fantastic? Harish, okay. Yes, sir.
Rockstar Rajappa.
Wow, good. Simple? Varun, okay.
Super cool Raghavendra.
Super cool Raghav. No, some other action, please. That's already done.
Okay.
Do it.
Super cool Raghavendra.
Cool.
Simple Sandeep.
It's already done. Simple. A unique verb.
Crystal clear Sandeep.
Again copied.
So it's actually, he was clear.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Thinking straight.
Thinking Sridhar. Okay, awesome. So you all, if I call out somebody's name, will you all do the pose or the adjective that that person has said? Do you all remember what your friends told? Sort of? Okay. Vishal. Awesome. Raghavendra. Super cool. Very good. Sylvester. Superb. Right.
Rajappa.
Good. Okay. So let's start with the day. Okay. So first, One is a game we are going to play. So for that we will make teams. Okay, you all are ready for the teams. So we have some cheats here. Each of you all will pick up the cheat. It will have your team name. Okay, don't show it to anybody as of now. Just keep it with yourself. In the name there is a god name along with the god's vehicle that generally these Hindu gods have some vehicle. So it can be a tiger, elephant and all. What you all need to do is that name of the animal that is there, make actions of that to find your teammates. You are getting what I am saying? Make action of the animal that is there to find your team members. Don't shout the name of their team, don't do anything, nobody is going to speak or call out, just make the animal sounds or actions or whatever required to find your team members. Okay? Don't show the chits to your neighbors or anyone. You didn't shuffle? It says shuffle. Don't show it to each other.
Who is the rat here?
Belong to? Yeah. Okay. Start. Make some sound, some action. Start. What team?
It's an elephant, not a snake, because I thought that's an elephant too.
So who are the elephants?
Because you did this, I thought it's a snake.
You can't talk.
Elephant.
Check who is. Yeah.
Elephant.
Okay? So stand with your teams. So you all are the snake. You are bull. Tiger.
Elephant.
Awesome. Okay, so you all know your teams now? Okay. So we'll start with the first game, okay? So for this game, you all are astronauts, research scientists of ISRO. Fine? So you all have built a rocket and it's time to launch this rocket. Okay? So now that you all want to launch the rocket, a circuit has to be completed. Fine? And for the circuit to complete, you all can see that circuit points, those paper plates are the circuit points. They are numbered from 1 to 50. All you have to do is stamp them in sequence from 1 to 50. 1, then 2, then 3. Just stamp as a team. It should be in sequence. You can't stamp 1 and then 10 and 15. 1, 2, 3. It should go in a sequence. Once the circuit is complete, the rocket gets launched. Simple?
How many numbers?
1 to 50.
1 to 50 and you have 2 seconds between each number.
Like 1 is stamped, after that within 2 seconds 2 has to be stamped. Okay?
Otherwise it restarts again.
Again the circuit, because the circuit then gets broken and you have to restart it. Understand? Any questions?
They're all spread across, is it?
Yeah, so each
The
team
numbers
has
are
one section. Each team has one section. You'll go to your section and go and stamp the numbers.
We have all the 50 numbers.
Yeah, each section has 50 numbers.
We'll have to find the numbers, they're not together. Like one after
Yeah,
the
they are spread across. They are spread across the numbers. You just go and start. Ready? Can you all do it? So, wait. Before we start, your turn goes there. Listen. All teams have position. Excuse me, sir. Wait 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, you all have to restart. Restart. Time, more time taken. Restart. Okay, you all are taking too much time between. So what we'll do is, you all can take some time. I'll give you all 5 minutes. Observe your field. Strategize as a team how you all want to go about it. Your decision. I allow you all to strategize how you want to do it. 5 minutes time, everyone gets to strategize. guys.
One by one. Come here, Deep. Start.
You can just stamp and come. 4 and then next 5 has to be stamped and then. Okay.
I don't think so. I am goes over here.
Yeah.
Just count. As soon as you stamp the number, read it out. One, just read it out. So the next person will take a stand.
No, when I tell you also. You can start it. Okay. Everyone are ready? All are ready? All are ready? All teams have done their planning strategy. Restart! 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 Yeah, took too long.
18, 19, 20.
Restart! 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 Too long! Restart! Restart! Too long between 20.
20 here. 21.
Was calling out the numbers and each of you all were designated few numbers and then you all were taking care of your numbers. Okay.
So we all 5 stand at 5 corners.
Right. Right. Okay. Any other team wants to share their experience, observations?
Which was the second team to finish? We.
Okay. Yeah.
So we would have come first, but then they didn't have anyone monitoring them, so they got away.
No, he was monitoring. He was monitoring.
So one thing he missed, we played the game at the right rules. We didn't touch and move.
Exactly. Yes. Yeah, he was monitoring those two teams. I was monitoring these two.
We did the same thing. We saw the
So
numbers.
nobody was following their team, you know.
Hey, he was following. He was following. He was there.
Yeah, so we kind of tried to do the whole sequence, and then each person saw what numbers were around them and got familiar with that.
Okay.
So that the minute one person was just screaming out the numbers, they was
Yep. Okay. Okay. Was it easier after some time was given to you all to see, observe, and then do? Starting it was too much of chaos, or okay.
Actually, I feel not moving the plates helped because that visual memory was longer. All of us
Right.
were standing right. We had
Right.
an idea. I mean, one number was 40, number was 47. We had starting to find, but all of us knew it was somewhere in that corner.
Correct.
So it helped.
So it helped one person calling out. Any other team followed any different strategy? I saw this team having one person stamping. No, everyone were not involved. Why was?
No, everyone was involved.
You involved, okay.
So there were 5 people, 1 to 10, 11 to 20.
Oh, like that you all managed. Oh, okay. It was a different strategy. Okay, fine. Okay, cool. Okay. Any other? So what was the learning? If anyone wants to share anything.
Concentration.
Pardon?
Concentration.
Concentration. Okay.
First we do
Fine. Okay, cool. Anything about, I liked it that one person was calling out, so you all had somebody to give you all directions, otherwise too many people talking, that helps? Yeah, too many leaders. Okay, cool. So now that Rocket is launched, you all had a good day in the office, everything done. So what's the next thing you all do usually after you are done at the office? No, after you finish. After you finish your break, everything, you are done for the day. Then you go home, right? So how many, in traffic exactly. So how many of you all travel really far, long distances? How's the Bangalore traffic?
Very nice.
Very nice. You enjoy it. You can watch some movies, have a good nap, right? So now that you're... Oh, yeah, you don't have any memory of it. Good, good. So now the next game is all about Bangalore traffic. So I'm just getting it back in here. Okay?
Must be experts, no? I mean, you deal with it
Every day, right? How many of you all actually drive two-wheeler, four-wheeler? So you all know what all you all have to go through in the Bangalore traffic, potholes, other drivers and so many things, cows in between, lot of things. Okay, so this is Bangalore traffic game, okay, a fun game. Your teams remain the same. I want 4 volunteers from, 1 volunteer from each team, so 4 people, please come. So you all will be the drivers. Pardon?
Bring that one prize.
Driver and the snake driver. Okay, so these are the drivers of buses. They are going to take you all to Majestic. Okay, so the first task is only for you drivers. You all have to get as many passengers on board as you can. Not necessarily have to board the same bus. You all can board whichever bus you like. Try to entice them, give them discounts, whatever you want. Get as many people on board as you can. So whoever wants to go on whichever bus you'll go, so just follow.
Only bus and vehicles.
One team had one less, right? You can join that team. Which team is 5?
We have 6. 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. We have 5.
So you can join their team.
Ajat,
Just keep some plates and remove. Okay. Go back. You don't have any passengers?
Not team and all that. Come here. What you are finding the same team?
Okay, now you are getting the next set of instructions. Okay, all the buses are going to Majestic. That is after those workstations you can see. You all have to go there and park your buses. It's the driver's responsibility to take the passengers safely and as quickly as possible. You all can try to block the other people, overtake. Wait, go back. I'm not done. Wait. Passengers safely, right? And there is a speed limit. And do you really think Bangalore traffic you can drive so fast? Bangalore traffic, can you drive at the speed you are running right now? No, you can't. This is Selmore Junction, you can't.
I'm being simple and
Right? Okay? So go at a speed limit 10k. Right? 10 is the speed limit. Fine will be there if you jump on the barricade. Go slow and steady. Okay.
only the front of the bus station. And we also want to give 10 points to the safe driver. That was the snake team. Elephant team. No, the snake. The rockstar team. 10 points. And yeah, you all reach first, so you all get 10 points. So the snake has to catch up. Okay? There are still few more games, so ensure you catch up.
This is just a game.
Sylvester. Sunil. Ravi. Mansi. Okay, who is not God? Okay, Shalini.
Passing to people who are not part, it should go from
Vishal. What? Promi. Yadesh.
Give it to anybody in that.
So was it simpler the second time? So does this happen in your workplace? Multiple projects at the same time? How do you ever do it then? To the other person, they are being promoted person by helping each other. But what's the secret to multitasking or when you're juggling too many things?
Understanding with the team. So this is second time, right?
Yeah.
There was less name calling and more like eye coordination. looking at me, then only I'm throwing.
Correct. So you knew whom you have to
Yes.
So what about catching the ball? Like some people may drop in and some may able to catch properly and whatever.
This is not a product, it's an academy. So there are different academies, dance academy, music, whatever, some things are there. So each one gets one. You all can, starting from now till the tea break, you'll have time to sit as a team, come up with a script, practice, whatever. After the break, we do the ads. Okay, each team gets 2 minutes to do the actual act, 5 minutes to do the whole stage setup, whatever. So each team gets 5 minutes starting till end of the ad. Okay, done? So who wants to come to pick up one from each team? Now after this, there is Hanuman's Tale. Then there is that number 7 game I can play. Cool way, do the role play. Then we can do that number 7 game. Yeah.
Draw the team. One team. Okay, so we'll do the plate. Listen. The team has its wrong like movie is that. We will go according to that. Okay. I don't know if you have seen that movie. I've seen that. Which one? Chandramukhi.
The rules are simple. Each of you get a total of 5 minutes. Stage setup, anything you have to do. The mad eye cannot be more than 2 minutes. Completely, you get 5 minutes of stage time. Okay? So we will start first with the snake game. Okay? Is there a The audience, please have silence. Focus on the minutes are up. You'll have just 3 more minutes. I am playing
You have exams tomorrow, you see me?
No, I don't want to read this book.
Last time also your art test was so poor.
No, No, please, don't tell. I don't.
Go take your book and read.
I want to play. I will play this game.
Let your cat come and tell him.
Blah 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 blah.
What is she doing? You have exam tomorrow, right?
Yeah, blah.
She can study.
No, I want to.
What?
No, please don't tell me to
What should we
study.
do about it? Let's have some coffee and let's see some TV and then we'll decide on it.
I will watch the TV program.
You will watch the TV.
Yeah, I will do. Please.
Put on some news.
No, I start to the cartoon.
Hello people, is your child facing problem with concentration? Is your child not able to focus? Is your child facing problem with short-sightedness? Then this is the right channel you guys are watching from. Let's ask our existing students what they think about that. Mr. Sridhar, what do you think about this academy?
I've been here for 2 years and my academic grades are not better.
Oh, that's awesome. Harish, what do you think about this?
I love this academy. I love this place because it makes it stressful and it is good. But in this academy, and my eyesight is also very much.
Perfect. Sunil, what do you think about this?
I am here from last 1 year and this is amazing stress buster for me.
Okay, Arvind, what's your
I've been here for the last 2 days and it's an amazing place.
Did you learn this place?
Yeah, I want to show all my friends.
Okay, so every house has these issues, and if your child also is facing the issue, then come join Academy.
Okay, who from your team is talking? Who from your team is talking much? Oh, sorry. Can you use the mic?
It's okay, we'll speak loud.
It's not getting recorded.
Use the main speaker, you have the main speaker. Speak. क्या हो गया?
Comments. Can we have the next team?
Yes.
Okay guys, hold on. See, I don't want to see this same dance again. So, something else. Okay? I don't want music. I don't want the regular dance.
See, we are sitting for 2 hours and we are already bored with all your Bollywood dances. Please do something different to impress us.
Okay, we have a Carnatic professional dancer here. So you would be putting talam,
Right, yeah.
and according to that you would be dancing. Okay, got it? Yes. Okay. You ready? Okay, start, sir. That was an awesome performance, and this was an awesome performance because, you know, with the music everyone can dance, but on the spot this is amazing. Round of applause for you. And you guys are from which academy?
Arey, they are from my academy, you don't know.
No.
I graduated from this academy.
Oh, Natarajan's academy.
Yeah.
Oh, you learned with Yadesh Master. Yeah. Oh,
No, that's that Singapore trip cannot happen. You know, I do not get the bonus and a lot of work is there. And bonus is the main issue.
Never get it. I know that.
How do you know that?
You're always telling that same reason. Huh? That's why.
Can I have the water?
No.
All right.
Okay, I'll find it. Who else in the neighborhood who got bonus? Get lost.
विशाली जरा पानी लाना है।
घर में पानी नहीं है।
पानी नहीं है, ऐसी क्या बात हो गई? पानी खत्म हो गया।
पानी के लिए गुस्सा आ रहे हैं, खाना भी नहीं है।
मैं तो महीने के पहले दिन में 25,000 दे देता हूँ, 10वीं तारीख तो बोले राशन खत्म हो गया है।
राशन का पैसे भी खत्म हो गए।
तो तुम आज के बाद मैं तुम्हें घर से निकाल दूंगा। मैं जा रहा हूँ अपने दोस्तों के साथ खाना खाने।
चलो टीवी देखते हैं जब घर में कुछ नहीं।
नहीं करते।
क्या नागिन अपना बदला ले पाएगी? मिलते हैं इस ब्रेक के बाद।
Not able to afford your wife's vacation expectations.
हाँ, is your husband driving you crazy? हाँ भाई हाँ।
Is your wife not happy with your performance at work?
Yes.
Yes.
All your studies and degrees not working.
No.
I am not working in life. Not working.
No, it's not.
You need to learn life skills. And here it is, Sri Krishna Academy of Leadership and Management. Any life's problem, you enroll to this course. You don't need any prior degrees. All you need is what?
Mobile phone and
One cell phone. Give a missed call to 9945 and for the first lucky winner, you get a free Singapore trip.
powered by Trudon.
Cool. So now we have the last team. Okay. Pardon? Yeah, sure.
No, just one.
Who-
गर्लफ्रेंड बनेगी।
मोटा है यार। हेलो दोस्त। हेलो।
बहुत ज्यादा क्या बात कर रहे हैं?
2 मिनट पहले मैं भी मोटी। मुझे खाना बहुत अच्छा लगता
मुझे
था।
तो बहुत ज्यादा
पसंद है तो मैंने सोचा मैं क्या करूं, मुझे पतला होना है।
मुझे
ओके, तो मैं एक बात बोलती हूँ, वहाँ देखो हनुमान जी, वहाँ पे यस तुम्हारे बाल भी बहुत झड़े हुए लगते हैं।
क्या बोलता हूँ मैं?
देखो मेरे बाल कितने लंबे हैं।
मेरे होंगे ऐसे?
सब्सक्रिप्शन दो, फिर एक ऑयल फ्री। चलो दोस्त, हम लोग चलते हैं।
अब देखिए हमें 3 महीने बाद
सेल्फ नहीं आप ले लो, आप ले लो ना।
Awesome. That were some really good performances. A big round of applause for all of us. Okay, to decide the winners, we are going to do audience poll. Okay, so don't just vote for your team. Vote for whomever you all thought were the best performance. in terms of an ad, a mad ad, right? Based on whatever they had got, how they performed. Okay, so let's start with the first team that was there, Dronacharya Academy. So raise your hands, how many of you all think they did a great job? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 votes for Dronacharya Academy. Okay, so the next team was the Natarajan dance. Okay?
Please. Who has come to assist today? Raise your hands.
10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 17, 19, 20. 23 votes for the Awesome! The next was Sri Krishna Academy of Management and Leadership. Okay, 8 votes. Very good. And finally the Hanuman Gym. How many votes?
Sheetal,
20 votes for. So the winners are Natarajan Dance Academy. Yay! Elephant, sorry. And you can give them also 5 points. That was the bull. Okay? So how was it? What was your experience? So were you all happy with your performance? Not happy?
Yes.
What could you all have done better?
Could have reduced more weight.
Then you can go for best acting. The bull team gets another 10 points from Mr. Arvind.
And not the 5 points.
Yeah, we will remove the 5 points. Okay. Best acting. 5.
Who did all the acting? Overacting kya? Who's the
Pardon? Mr. Arvind has given. Okay. So any team feels you all could have done anything better, or you all are satisfied with your performance?
Like, the management team,
Huh?
they could have, showed a few tips of, what do they teach or how do they improvise the management skills, something like that.
Okay.
There's nothing of that sort.
Cool. Anything else? How was the whole process? Like, anybody wants to tell me what you all did in terms of planning, coming up with the script? Anybody wants to share their experience?
I think Manjushri should tell. You guys had great skill.
Thanks to the team. Sandeep, Sheetal, everyone. Just before.
So you all are dancers? Professional dancers? Professional dancers? Okay. Fine, but great job everyone. Really, a big round of applause. Great job. Okay, now we are going to play the next game. This is again a team game. We can play it outside. You all have a lot of space out there, so let's do it there. Okay, so the game is very simple. It will be like a tournament. First 2 teams will play, and then another 2, and then there will be a finals. Okay, so the game name is Hanuman's Tale. Tale. You all know Hanuman's Tale? Anybody knows the story? Why is it popular? He burned the whole Lanka using his tail, right? So the game right now is Hanuman की पूंछ उड़ाओ लंका बचाओ. ठीक है? Okay, so the team, I'll tell the instructions, please listen carefully. You'll stand in a team in a straight line, holding each other, okay? And the last person in the team will have the tail. And you as a team have to ensure that your tail is safe and try to pull the other team's tail.
With the chain intact.
No breakage of the chain, nothing. Very simple game. Any questions? Everyone understood the instructions? See, the last member in your team will have a dupatta tied, that is the tail. You as a team have to safeguard your tail and try to catch hold of the others. Yeah, the faster you do, you are the winner. Okay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
Once you're ready, just give me your. Why are you pushing me?
Let's restart. Round 2. Go.
Kids and play more outside, right? Huh? No, so kids have insurance, is it? But do you realize as we grow big, we are more scared of things. As kids, we wouldn't have been had so much problems to play in it. You can buy, right? You are earning. Okay, any other learnings? How it was playing as a team? Coordination was important? Okay. So what strategy did the snake team use to win the game? No, they won so well. They won against the elephants and the tigers. Follow the leader, is it? Possible. Who was your leader?
Sunil.
Okay, good job. So you follow the leader, you protect your tails. Okay, anything else? Why was chain breaking so much with you? Huh?
The game is that the person behind, right? If they want to avoid the being caught, right, they can pull in different direction. They should not pull. They have to follow the leader action.
Exactly.
So
Yes.
that's what is happening. First game we are faster than other team, so we could do it. The second game we are just slower than other team.
Right. So if the tail goes in a different direction than the leader, then the coordination breaks and correct. Yes, very true. So you all had fun playing this game? Good. Okay, cool. You all want to have a quick water break? 2 minutes. Go have water and come, and then we'll continue. Just call them quickly.
Right side.
So the next game is called 6 verbs. Okay. So here again you will play in your teams. There will be one person from your team whom you will nominate who will be blindfolded, and there will be a target that blindfolded person has to touch or achieve. Okay. The target can be a moving target, can be stationary. It depends. Okay. Within the shortest time he has to go and touch the target. And the rest of the team members have to give him instructions, how to move, what to do, all those things. Okay, so how you all will give instructions? You will give instructions using 6 verbs. Just 6 verbs, nothing else.
Only those 6 verbs will be used to give
Instructions.
No other words will be given.
Okay, so we will give you all time to strategize as a team, come up with 6 verbs.
Give us a list of 6 verbs.
Once you all decide the 6 verbs, you all come back to us. We will approve those 6 verbs. Once you all have decided, then we begin the play. Okay. Verb, action words. Action words, verbs. We added, no, snake got 10. Pardon? Yeah, we will add 5. Okay? Did you all understand the game clearly? Any questions? There is no demo in this game. You all as a team strategize, come up with 6 verbs that I will give instruction to the blind person.
Old English.
Come up with verbs.
The directions, how will you like them? Left and right, how will
You all as a team plan it. Come up with whatever.
Thing to be taxed or
It will be a moving target.
Okay, so what kind of verbs? Give us some examples.
Verbs are walk, stop, pause, stay. Words.
Two-minute round per team is enough.
Yalla, always last. That's okay. Who is your person who is be blindfolded? You? You? Okay, come this side. You, the rest of the team cannot cross this. From here you are given instructions.
Tell me. Don't make sound. Follow. Follow? Yeah. Like. Like.
Sampada, 1 second.
Like. Rest. Is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Once more. Once more. Yeah, start. Start. Bash, bash, bash. Follow. Follow. Right. 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 Follow, follow, follow. Back, 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 back. Right, 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 right. Right. Right is not a verb. Right, right. Right, right, right. Right. Okay. Follow, 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 follow. Right, 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 right. Okay. Back. Back. And open. Yeah. Follow. Nice. How much time we took? One time we took? 1 minute.
Yeah, no.
Less than 1 minute. Less than 1 minute.
1 minute, 1 round. So less than 1 minute, you will One round is a 1 minute.
Okay, we are starting.
Leap. Move. Right.
Less than 30 seconds. Okay, now once more you are done.
Bounce. Move. Right, left.
Left.
Right. Move.
Left is left.
No left.
Restart. Bounce. Move. Right. Move. Right. Rise. Jump. Sit. Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk.
Follow the instructions.
Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. Jump.
Okay. One more round. So,
सुनील तेरदा
Okay. Start.
Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. 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 Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk. Rise. Rise. Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk. Lift. Rise. Lift. Walk. Walk. Lift. Walk. Let the camera. Lift. Walk. Lift. Walk. 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 Nice. Down, down, hold down. Walk.
Okay, this trip took almost 2 minutes, 21 minutes.
Yeah,
Good. Start.
Start. Calling instructions.
Punch. Go. Slap. Go. Keep going.
Keep going is what I want.
Slap.
No, keep.
Slap. Go. Slap. Come. About that. Come.
About that sentence is equal to
Punch. Come. Punch. Go. Punch.
Yeah, punch.
Come. Go. Punch and go. Slap and go. Go. Punch and go. Go. Slap. Go. Slap and.
Good job. Tigers are the second.
Right. Bounce. Right. Deep. Move. Right. Move. Right. Deep. Move. Deep. Move. Grab.
50 seconds.
50 seconds. Bash.
Wait, what's that? Why you
Go. Wait. Wapas.
Follow. Right. Follow. Right. Like. Bash. Bash. Like. Bash. Bash. Like. Bash. Right. Move. Follow.
So was it difficult to?
Instructions are ready. And the thing is, whoever has given me the instruction was really nice. And I wanted to move fast. I told them that I'll be moving fast to and fro. So give me instructions like that.
Cool. Good. So anybody else? How did you all strategize? What were your strategy? What did you all think about when the game was? Some verbs. But how did you all come up with your 6 verbs? I want to know that. Like they had a strategy of. Just a minute. See, they had a strategy of each letter. They use the same. So for left, they use like or something like that. So what was your strategy? Similar? All 4 teams exactly same? So you'll all think in one direction, is it one mind?
I think their advantage was they were clear that they move fast.
Yes.
No, but the third team's verbs were very difficult.
Third team.
Keep going about.
Yeah.
Punch.
Punch, bash. Yes. Punch, bash and all. So why did I use those verbs? Punch, bash.
Use the smallest, like easiest words which you know.
Okay.
The winning strategy was move fast.
Move fast.
Exactly. Move fast.
I want to feel the
Very good.
Move faster than a target.
So as a team,
Sometimes target becomes slower.
and as anything about communication, was it difficult to communicate since your team member was blindfolded? Was it?
It was not difficult probably. In the first round he was a bit confused.
Okay.
He picked up in the second round.
What could you all have done better to communicate better with him?
No, that's because last minute change. No, I was supposed to go in and then resend it. So probably that would have.
Okay. Fine. Was there any problem with listening?
That's what I thought.
Huh?
Target should have been stationary.
No, but we had told clearly at the start, target will be moving. That was informed.
Moving rate is like different for different.
Yeah, it was different, right? For some team, it was more. For some team.
But that's how it is in real life, right? But that's how it is in real life.
Not giving much time and moving to and fro. He is not having time to go round and round. That's why.
He has the experience for being very brave here. The way you are moving past with the band of the wall or the furniture,
Yeah, but the target will never be same speed and stationary in real life also, right? Target keeps moving. True?
Yes.
Yeah, so that's bound to
In the
happen.
game, every sportsman has different energy levels at every time.
Okay, cool. So anything else, any other observations you all want to share?
You should get 5 points for being second.
We have not added the points yet for this last game. So the Bull team gets 10 points. Session
one thing
2.
very surprising in the last game.
Yes.
No one changed the team.
No one changed?
We have multiple attempts, right?
Yeah,
Then we play 2 rounds.
correct. Yeah,
Faith in the team, whoever is going with the blindfold.
yeah.
We didn't know that we can change, you know.
That was your strategy, you can do that. Yes.
हाँ वही तो we didn't know that we can switch people, you know, to 2 different rounds. Otherwise, we would have switched this one.
So, how was it, the whole session from morning? What are the major learnings you all will take back today? Were there any learnings? Was it helpful? Teamwork? Okay. Coordination. In which game was coordination important? Every game. Communication. Okay. Anything specific you all were like, you know, something out of the ordinary you all observed, either about the game or about your team members or anything? Better the team effort, more your chances to win. Team player than an individual player, very good.
Anybody notice anything unusual, like you didn't expect this talent from this person, this
Yeah,
teammate,
some
something
any
like that?
new talents, any qualities. Her acting was good? Yeah. Good, good. Any athletic qualities?
Athletic qualities, Sunil.
So, yeah.
Especially after the break.
Any new leaders you have found that, you know, somebody took in charge of the team, came up with new ideas or creativity? Maria? Okay. Give a round of applause to Maria. Any new leaders or innovation that you have found came up during the session? Okay, good. Yes? Yeah, please share. Pardon?
Yeah, he scheduled lunch for the game.
Yeah, where is he? He went, is it? Okay. Okay. So you want to do the feedback session? Wins for today's session. Entire team. All the best. 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 Yeah. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Congrats.
Thank you.
Congrats. Congrats.
Unless you know they do a snake dance, we're not going to give them the prize.
awesome. Thank you. Congrats. Well done. Congrats. Well done. Congrats.
Thank you.
Sorry, I'll get felt for the. You're doing tiger dance? Please come. Actually, this is a good idea. One representative from each team can come and do the one elephant dance, one tiger dance, one bull dance, and a snake dance.
Meenakshi and Maria.
Oh.